Today we're building a hero animation in SwiftUI. You've probably seen this effect in many apps. Tap on a card and it smoothly expands into a detailed view. Close the view and it gracefully snaps back into place, or drag it down for a more interactive, controlled animation. In this tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to build it using SwiftUI's navigationTransition modifier. We're starting with a simple SwiftUI project in Xcode, a small app about cats. To keep things organized, we've defined a cat structure with an ID, name, image name, and description. The images are stored in the Assets folder and matched to each cat. In the Content view, we start with an array of cat objects. Each cat has a name, an image, and a short description. We display the cats as cards in a vertical stack. Each card is wrapped in a navigation link to a detail view. All of this sits inside a scroll view so we can browse through the cards in the navigation stack. This is the detail view. At the top we show a large image of the selected cat, followed by its name and a short description. It's a clean, simple layout that works as the destination when a card is tapped. In the app right now, tapping on a cat card takes us to the detail view using the standard navigation transition. The card disappears from the list and a new view slides in with the larger image. The default transition feels disconnected. We want the image to smoothly transform into the detail view, and that's what SwiftUI's navigation transition gives us. To make this transition smooth, we need a way for SwiftUI to know that the image in the list and the image in the detail view are actually the same element. We start in the Content view. Here we declare a namespace called Hero Transition. This gives us a shared animation space that we can use across views. We apply this namespace to the cat card image by adding the Match Transition Source modifier, using the cat's ID property and the namespace. This tells SwiftUI that the image in the Content view is the starting point of the animation. Now let's open the Detail view. At the top of the struct, we add a new namespace property. This allows the Detail view to receive the same namespace from the Content view. Inside the body, we take the larger image of the cat and add the navigationTransition modifier, again using the cat's ID property and the namespace. This links the detail image back to the cat card image. Since the detail view now requires a namespace, we also need to update the preview. We create a namespace inside the preview and pass it into the detail view so it won't give us an error. And finally, we go back to the Content view and update the navigation destination. Since the detail view now requires a namespace, we pass Hero Transition into it. This connects the two views fully and makes the animation possible. Now let's return to the preview. When we tap on a cat card, the image smoothly expands into the detail view. Closing the view brings it right back into place with the same fluid animation. The best part is how simple this is to set up. With just a namespace, a transition source on the cat card, and a transition modifier in the detail view, SwiftUI handles the entire animation for us. To make the experience feel more natural, we can replace the default back button with a close button. This feels better with the animation, since the detail view expands from the card and can now be dismissed either by tapping the X mark or by dragging the view down. We do this inside the detail view. At the top of the struct, we declare the dismiss property. This gives us access to the system dismiss action. Next, we hide the default back button. Then, inside a toolbar modifier, we add a leading toolbar item with a button that shows the X mark icon. Tapping this button calls the dismiss action, which closes the view. Now, let's go back to the preview in the Content view and try it out one last time. When we tap on a cat card, the image smoothly expands into the detail view. At the top, we now see the close button, which feels more natural with this style of transition. Tapping the X mark dismisses the detail view, and the image smoothly animates back into place. It's a clean, polished effect that only took a few simple steps to set up. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you enjoyed it, please give the video a like and don't forget to subscribe for more Swift and SwiftUI tutorials. You'll find helpful links in the description below, including the project code on GitHub. See you next time!